Hello guys! In this tutorial, I'd like to show you how to create and set up a Bol Product Content feed. The content feed can define new products in the Bol database. To create a feed, click Add Channel, search for Bol, select Product Content via API, and click Add Channel. Now you can edit the feed by Channel Settings button. The Bol attributes are pre-mapped to your store attributes in this mapping table. There are several mandatory attributes like EAN code, name, description, cover image, brand, and color. Just make sure those attributes are mapped to your store attributes. You can also add custom attributes to the feed. For more details, please check Congo documentation. And this is it for attribute mapping. Now you can go to category mapping. Please map your store categories to Bol categories. This makes sure products are sorted properly on Bol. Click Save, and the feed is ready for submission. Click API Submission button, select Marketplace, and connect the content feed to your Bol account. Once the feed is connected, activate Feed Auto Submission and save the settings. Some of your products might miss mandatory attribute values on Bol. Please check Congo documentation on how to add those values in the Bol system.